This is the area that I was talking about yesterday that we need to cut down some trees and make room for it. So it keeps it from climbing over our house, because there's long, nasty vines like Tarzan would swing on all over. And as you can see, the guy came and cut down a couple of smaller trees here yesterday and hauled away some of the stuff. Already opened it up quite a bit from what it was. But that mango tree is the one that really worries me. We get the heavy winds, you can feel that thing swaying right over to the house. So it needs to come down. So I think that's the plan for today. I don't want to get too far back in here because I might stumble and break my damn neck. But what a difference already. Over here in the middle, there's a palm tree that was cut out and it just dropped on the ground. You can see with all the rains, it gets really muddy. So whenever they back in here, it's a mess. He did some weed eating to cut down some of the grass here to make it a little easier for him to access, a little safer for him to get in here to cut the trees. But anyhow, I think by the end of today, the mango tree should be at least dropped down on the ground. Then the next one is going to be our huge mango tree on the front of the house there. It's kind of eating up our power lines, so I'm afraid that every time it sways and rocks, it's going to knock our power out. So anyhow, just a little short update today. I've got Jai holding the camera today because, believe it or not, that little light gimbal with the phone and the DJI mic adapter on it was too much load for me. It made my neck sore all day. I felt it. Okay, they're making a really big difference in here with the vegetation now. The trees being cut down. They're still gonna have to haul away all the other garbage here that goes with it. The mango tree, he cut one big branch. Still got more to go. I'm not sure what the plan is over here just yet. I think we're going to take everything out. Clear everything. Okay, this is Bobby and Jai. Please, if you like our content, reach down and mash the like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything and it helps us in the algorithms. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going. We're out.